You want to take out some bus seats today?
Yeah, I'm down.
You got the energy?
Yeah, all I gotta do is really just lay down and hold a nut.
Flashlight.
And under the bus he goes, and I have to get him a flashlight. Comfy cozy down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap.
Yeah, take a nap right there.
The cat did just pee by my head. So.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, we were staring at each other. It was weird.
The pickup of the seats. How heavy is it? Insane.
It's not heavy. It's just. Oh, got it. Oh, fuck. Either got it or I stripped it, I'm not sure. I got it!
Yeah! Oh my god. Is there more?
Oh, there might be another one. Oh, there's something gross right there. Ew. Oh, gross. Oh, yeah, buddy.
It's stuck in there, huh? Oh my gosh, watch your fingers.
So we got 10 of them. Ow.
What? We got a
There
bus
it
seat
is.
out. We got a bus seat out.
Oh, that's so gross.
Oh my god.
Blech. You want to take out more, or?
Yeah, I can.
All right, let's keep rolling.
You already got 3 out. So where are you headed?
Going under. Going Australia.
Going down under.
What's up, dude?
So we just got the last screws from under the bus out, which is so exciting. And now we're gonna celebrate. So happy to have met this man right here. Hurry up, get down here.
Oh, God.
Carefully. Oh, God.